Most people get virtual office services completely wrong, and that includes iPostal1. They sign up thinking it's just a cheap business address, but later they realize it can affect bank approvals, LLC compliance, and even how legitimate their business looks. Here's the truth no one tells you. A virtual mailbox service is not just about receiving mail. It can make or break your business setup in 2026, especially if you are forming an LLC or working remotely. In this video, you'll learn exactly what iPostal1 actually offers, whether it works for LLCs, and when you should avoid it completely so you don't run into banking or compliance issues. Let's break it down, step by step. First, what iPostal1 actually is. It is a digital mailbox service that gives you a real street address where your mail is received, scanned, and managed online. So instead of physical mail sitting in your home mailbox, you can view everything through an app. For someone like Alex running an online business, this sounds perfect because it protects privacy and gives flexibility. But here's where most people get confused. They assume this is the same as a full virtual office. It is not. Now here's the key difference. A virtual mailbox like iPostal1 is mainly for mail handling. A true virtual office often includes additional business presence features like office leasing rights, meeting rooms, and stronger proof of business substance. Now here's where it gets interesting. For LLC formation, iPostal1 can work in many cases, but not always for bank account verification. Some banks accept it, while others may reject it if they require a commercial lease or physical office proof. This is where people like John often get stuck after forming their LLC successfully, but failing at the banking stage. So when does iPostal1 work best? It works well if you need privacy, a professional mailing address, or you are running a small online business that does not require heavy banking setup. It is also useful for freelancers, digital nomads, and e-commerce sellers who want separation between home and business. But here's the limitation. If your goal is high-trust banking, Stripe approval, or investor-facing operations, a stronger virtual office solution may be required. So what should you do? If you are just starting your LLC, iPostal1 can be a simple and affordable option for mail handling. But if your business depends on financial approvals, consider upgrading to a co-working-based virtual office or a registered agent bundle that provides stronger verification support. To summarize, iPostal1 is reliable for privacy and basic business address needs. But it is not a complete solution for every LLC scenario in 2026. If you want more honest breakdowns like this, like the video, drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more clear business guides.